So guys, welcome back to another video. This is Random Family Entertainment. You know, I'm gonna post some random stuff on here, so beware. Anyway, so you see this straw? It bends, you know, and like I have an armpit right here. So,
wow!
What you do?
You
You put the straw over here, right?
Nice.
Under your armpit, and then you blow.
Ooh, diarrhea of the armpit.
Anyway, and you see this leg right here?
But wait, there's more.
See this beautiful leg right here?
He also has a leg.
You put it right here. Bend your leg.
Oh gosh, too close. Diarrhea of the leg.
Anyway.
Is that it?
That's not it. I gotta think of something.
Oh, wait, there's more. Again.
No. She's recording.
No, you didn't get in it.
Oh.
But my ugly toe is there. I didn't get it. And
Anyway, guys, make sure to like and subscribe because you know I'm just gonna like that. And stay tuned for more W videos, aka bangers.
And what else?
Like and subscribe.
And
Bye.
we might be doing a duet
And-
later.
And we might do a singing duet if I feel like it.
Maybe not tonight, but stay tuned. If you would like to hear a mother-son duet and see more random entertainment just like you just did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button now. And we will not disappoint in the entertainment department. Bye.
Bye.